There's so much different types of food here at Oktoberfest. How do I know what's good or not?
Well, calm down. The German is here to help.
Now guys, before we get into the really good stuff, let's start with a classic. The Bratwurst, which is a sausage from the grill. And it's served in the tents and outside. Usually it comes with mustard and, we are in Germany, of course, sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut, the spinach of the Germans. That's why we are so strong.
Yeah, it's alright. You hate it or you love it. Price for this classic dish is about $10 in the tents.
Oktoberfest is expensive.
Now Bratwurst, it's good. It's a classic, but nothing crazy special. So we're gonna give this a 5 out of 10 on our foodometer.
Look, German food is not always looking super delicious, but just wait for the top 3. You will be blown away. Do you say blown away? Blown away? Sounds weird.
Now the next thing is a staple at Oktoberfest. The Lebkuchenherz, which is a gingerbread heart. And they come, with sayings like Ich liebe dich, which is like I love you, or Grüße aus München, which is like greetings from Munich.
See, we Germans are romantic. Forget the Italians or the French. What is better than getting a gingerbread heart from your sweetheart?
Alright, Mr. German lover. They are pretty nice. And they come with a ribbon, to wear around your neck as an oversized edible necklace. I love them, but they are better worn than eaten. And we're talking about food here. So hence...
Well, we will give this a 6 out of 10 on our foodometer. Don't eat it, wear it.
Now you will be angry for mentioning this so early on the list. Next is beer.
What? Why so low? Friendship over.
And some of you might say, hey, this is not food.
Well, some of us Germans might argue different.
Exactly. My German grandpa always said beer is liquid food. And the one served at Oktoberfest is stronger than the usual beer, and it's brought to you in a 1-liter glass called a Mass. But I'm not a big fan of beer.
Friendship over.
You know this. Plus, there's some really good things coming on this list. So we will give beer a 6.5.
Okay, I forgive you. Plus, the other stuff coming is delicious.
Now, I think Germans should practice their food presentation skills. Look at this. Doesn't really look appealing, right?
We are efficient. It has to taste good. Forget all the other fluff.
Well, Oberster does taste great. It's made out of cheese, butter, onions and red pepper powder. And it's the perfect dip with your pretzel.
Often served as an appetizer. Might not satisfy the look of Mr. Flo here, but try it. It will be worth it.
7 out of 10 on our scale. Next is another classic, Schweinshaxen, which is roasted pork knuckle.
That is the food I always ate when I was a kid. And look! This is why I got in such a good shape.
It doesn't look that healthy, Hans, but it is delicious. It's served in a pool of gravy with a potato dumpling. And man, when you bite into that crispy skin,
That sound alone makes me hungry.
Also a 7 out of 10. Now we all know about the pretzels, but what about the giant Oktoberfest pretzels? You can eat it with Oberster or just slowly peck on it while you have it with your beer.
To soak up the alcohol,
That's true, plus it's nice to share with each other. If I learned one thing at Oktoberfest, it's that everyone needs a giant pretzel once in their life. 7.5 out of 10 on our foodometer. Next is another drink. Hans, can you explain to the people what Radler is?
Well, let's say you have someone like this who doesn't like beer. Give them a Radler. It's a mix of beer and Sprite. It tastes well and you don't get drunk as fast.
It is a fantastic alternative for people, like me. Very famous in the south of Germany. 7.5 out of 10. Next is Steckerlfisch, which is fish grilled on a stick.
So you can feel like back in the days, sitting around a fire.
Yeah, I'm sure that's the dream for a lot of people. Joke aside, it really tastes amazing and you eat it with your hands. Some don't like the smell, but I love it.
Me too, we agree on one thing for once.
See, sometimes we do. So how many points do we give?
8 out of 10, I love fish.
Now, at Oktoberfest, there is a lot of sweets. It's a fair after all. And one of the best sweets are Paradiesäpfel. It's essentially an apple coated in lots of sugar.
When you bite into this, you'll get a sugar shock. And one time, I tricked Flo in giving him an onion coated in sugar. He thought it's an apple. So easy to fool.
Hey, I'm still super mad about this actually. Gotta stop thinking about it. The taste of the onion, but the apples are awesome. 8.5 out of 10.
And if you want to see more of me making fun of him, then hey, subscribe. There's some great stuff coming.
Another sweet you will find everywhere there are the fruit sticks coated in chocolate.
I love the strawberries.
Yeah, and for me, the banana. Not much more to add. Freaking good. Also an 8.5 out of 10. Now, barely missing the top 3 is ox. Because there is one tent at Oktoberfest, the Ochsenbraterei, which is famous for serving ox.
You can even see the ox inside when they grill it.
Someone is excited. They serve the ox with potato salad and gravy, and it's good. It just looks like every Bavarian dish, you know, meat-heavy potatoes, stuff like that.
I'm telling you, you need fatty food to soak up the beer. We Germans, we think about these things.
And even if you don't drink beer, it's delicious. 9 out of 10 on our scale. Next is a dessert from heaven, the Dampfnudel.
I hear the German angels singing.
It's a dumpling served with sweet vanilla sauce, and inside the dumpling is jam. And oftentimes people just say, you know, F it, I'm gonna eat this as a main dish.
Well, at Oktoberfest you can start with the dessert first.
It's so good. 9 out of 10 on our foodometer. Now number 2, without this food, you know, it's not a real Oktoberfest.
Beer.
No, we already had that. The other thing.
The Händel.
Chicken. You know, usually you order half a chicken and that's it. You can also additionally order potato cucumber salad with it. And of course, because we are at Oktoberfest, you eat it with your hands.
I mean, it's Oktoberfest. Who cares?
It's the food in the tents. During the last Oktoberfest, about 435,000 chicken were served. That's a lot. 9.5 out of 10 for this food that you don't want to miss in our second place. And our place number 1. What do you eat, you know, when you're outside of the tents and you walk around? Gebrannte Mandeln, glazed almonds.
You must try it, yeah?
Hans, stop threatening people, okay? But yeah, they are like Oktoberfest's version of crack. Addictive and delicious. And you can catch the smell a mile away. So good. 10 out of 10 on our foodometer.
But don't forget to check out the video where I talk about what absolutely not to do at Oktoberfest.